So you're thinking about buying this little rain catcher thing here. Well, it's super sunny today, obviously, so I can't show you guys it in rain. I want to make the video. So this is me simulating how it's going to act. It's well made. If you're wondering that, it's well made. The stuff's real nice and thick. The paint feels good, everything like that. So if that's what you're wondering, yes, it is. Let's see how it looks. So there you go. You see how that runs down the chain like that? You can imagine if there's a spot on your roof where this water is running down. This kind of gives it a lane to run down instead of running all over the place and just spattering really hard on the ground. This kind of guides it down to the ground real nice and soft and gives you a nice like aesthetic look. That's what these are for. This one works just fine, and I can't wait till it actually does rain. It rains a lot here, just not today. And this is going to be a nice little added aesthetic to watching the rain outside.